statement. We have had a meeting of the Azimio parliamentary group, the party's leadership, and our delegation to the joint bipartisan talks. Over 130 members of parliament attended today's meeting, a clear indication of our side's commitment to engage on the critical issues facing the country and to fight for Kenyans. This meeting was a follow-up to that of 24th May 2023, in which, among other things, we endorsed the decision by our delegation to walk out of the talks until Kenya Kwanza agrees to deal with the interim issues raised by our team. The meeting today deliberated on three main issues. One, reorganization of Azimio leadership in the National Assembly. Two, an in-depth analysis of the Finance Bill 2023. And three, the status of the joint bipartisan talks. This meeting took a position as follows. On the Finance Bill, our members have come to the conclusion that it has only bad news, worst news, and the worst news. We consider this to be a bill from people living either in another planet or another country other than Kenya. It is the position of the parliamentary group